Today is a big day. I've reached my milestone, smart money to blockchain freedom. Can you believe it? It is 122 days today. I did it. Wow. And the whole purpose of this was to challenge myself and also to educate people in the cryptocurrency blockchain sector to show them that it's not all scary and that you can get started easily and especially through what I've been sharing on a daily basis. And it just shows you what can be done, right? Just a little bit each day builds up momentum and creates good habits, daily habits. So what did we cover? So I covered the Apertum blockchain, and this is the project I'm excited about. And why am I excited about this project? Well, it's all about education, right? It's all about learning, even if you're brand new in crypto. I get asked, David, what coin are you following? Uh, can you tell me? So I say, yes, I'm following a coin called Apertum, and its symbol is APTM. And why are you following this project? That people ask me. Well, because I mean, it's only been a year old, right? Its birthday was in February this year. It only started last year in 2025, and it's had a lot of traction, a lot of awards, and I can show you some evidence as well. And it's all about helping people to get into a project step by step, and also me helping you do that. So you're not on your own, right? It's all about getting guidance and helping you. And it's very, very easy to get involved in the Pertin blockchain. And so let's go and see what we've done over the last year. So let's go and have a look. So let's read your top 5 layer 1 crypto projects with major potential to lead in 2025. Layer 1 are the talk of the crypto town as the second half of 25 winks at DeFi renaissance with fierce competition. So what is DeFi? Now, DeFi is a wonderful thing. All it stands for is decentralized finance. Okay, so it's a bit different to centralized finance, meaning your banks, institutions. Decentralized means you have your own wallet, meaning you control your funds. You don't need to ask permission for your funds. You can take your funds out whenever you want, and it's private. So that's the thing about decentralized. Okay. And also it's community based. So the rewards you get are normally higher than traditional organizations. Yes, there are higher risks, but you always invest money that you don't cannot afford to lose. And yes, put crypto in your high risk portfolio, right? You've got to be sensible about it. And on also crypto, there's no quick get rich quick scheme in crypto. If you're a professional trader who's got 10 years experience, maybe then you can know how to play the markets and win. But I always teach people the fundamentals and the easy stuff like use AI technology to leverage and also dollar cost averaging. So one tip, you could do Bitcoin, for example. You could buy £100 of Bitcoin starting today, the 30th of January, 2026, and you can buy £100 a month for the next 3 to 5 years. And the potential is there, okay? Because there's big institutions like BlackRock who are now their ETF is one of the best performing ETFs where they actually offer now Bitcoin to retail investors that can add that to their portfolio. So, and then the Apertum project, right? So that's one good potential story here. And you can just see here, launched in Q1 2025, Apertum has already processed over 1.9 million transactions and produced more than 1.7 million blocks on its layer 1 chain, operating as a high performance subnet with the Avalanche AVAC ecosystem. So this is all good stuff, right? And you can have a look here more. Furthermore, Apertum stands out with over 530 smart contracts deployed on the Fresh blockchain. And it's highly scalable due to seamless EVM compatibility. So this allows developers to build layer 2 infrastructure without the need for different toolkit or knowledge code to get a high active community with already in a complete ecosystem. So for developers, this is amazing, the Apertum blockchain, and it's super fast and super cheap, right? So that was one good story. Then we can keep going. Then this is a big one as well. CertiK complete security audit of the Apertum layer 1, confirming its decentralized blockchain. And yeah, we got a table of contents, rare and exceptional points confirmed in CertiK assessment. So full layer 1 infrastructure verification, extremely rare. Confirmation of Apertum as a true sovereign layer 1. Zero findings, no critical major, medium, minor, or informational issues. Live on chain evidence of fully functional blockchain, which is important for developers or anybody who wants to bring a project to the Apertum blockchain. You're looking for transparency, right? So there's another award there. Then we got more awards. You know, we got a 2025 Apertum won Best Layer 1 Blockchain Network in Crypto News. So, you know, what can I say? It's just positive on positive and positive. And then we've also got Joseph Haidt explains how Apertum blockchain technology is shaping the future of cryptocurrency. And you know what? 5-10 years ago, they were calling Bitcoin a scam, right? And now look where Bitcoin is. I mean, BlackRock's one of the biggest institutions in the world, right? So we are closing the book on 2025, the year when Bitcoin broke into the deepest layers of traditional finance, yes, and the world's largest banks quietly become crypto service providers, yes. BlackRock, for example. In today's interview, Joseph Haidt, senior strategic advisor at Apertum Blockchain, will explain how Layer 1 took its first real steps for vision to living, breathing ecosystem. And this is the Apertum Blockchain, right? So I'm super bullish on this project. Let's go back here to CoinMarketCap. And it's all about dollar cost averaging again. Look at the price of this coin. As I say, today's date is the 30th of January 2026. You know, yes, put it in your high risk portfolio. Okay. Yes, don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. But this coin at 63 cents right now and on today's date, where's this project going to be in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now? And especially with all these good press releases that we're having. I mean, you know, it's phenomenal. So reach out to me if you're looking for a project, if you're looking for something to get your teeth into, you're looking for some guidance on how it works, how you can set up an account, because we do have our own account sitting on the Apertum blockchain, which is called DAO1. And another good thing about the DAO1 project, it's called decentralized again, not owned by anybody, doesn't have a CEO, it's all code. Okay. A decentralized autonomous organization, private, right? And you set up your decentralized wallet to the DAO1 platform. And it makes you sovereign and you can take your money out when you want. You are 100% in control of your own wallet, which is key, right? So, and then just remember today's date is the 30th of January. So their products change from time to time. There is a promotion until the 4th of February 2026. So if you're looking at these products after the 4th of Feb, just remember that most probably there'll be some changes. But there will be a link below the video, and there you can reach out to me and I can help you. So just simple products like this one is absolutely amazing. It's just a trading bot. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. All you need to do is put some capital in it. It trades for you, buying and selling the Apertum coin and accumulating the coin. And that's what you want, right? You want more and more of this coin. And then you can hold the coin in a wallet and you can get rewarded. So these two products are absolutely amazing to generate wealth. Okay. So I'm quite excited about this. This is my 200th, my 122 videos out of 122. So I'm going to come back, and I reckon what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start looking at liquidity pools, because this is super powerful. So we have our own DEX. DEX just means this is a decentralized exchange, meaning it's just connected with a wallet. There's no third parties. It's a community driven DEX. And you can put money in, take money out, whatever you want. But the also good thing about this DEX is you can put money into something called a liquidity pool, right? And I'm going to talk about this. I'm going to start I'm going to start putting money in there daily, and then I'm going to show you how it actually works and how I'm generating rewards. So let's see what the interest rate is if you put some capital into this liquidity pool. It is the Apertum coin and USDT as a pair. So you've got to put a bit of Apertum and a bit of wrapped USDT in as well. But look at that. So today's interest, this is per annum, but 33%. Yes, it does fluctuate. Okay, I've seen it as low as 6%, but I've seen it as high as 80%. So I'm going to do some liquidity pool. My one mate says a cappuccino a day. You put this in every day and it compounds over time, and it can be a very, very powerful a form of income for you as well over time, right? And if you combine that with the smart trader and the holding of the coins, the three, the liquidity pools, smart trader working for you, and holding the Apertum coins in a wallet, amazing. It's like a tripod, wealth tripod, generating you wealth. So I'm gonna say thank you for everybody's support. I'm gonna start a new challenge for liquidity pools, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.